So here comes the solution to exercise 4, where we actually target lists. So I gave you the exercise to build your own new list containing 3 vectors, as you can see here, and then print second row, first entry. So let's try to do that. So what we have then here is some variable, let's call it my exercise array, and I'm putting the mouse pointer away so you can better read it. Again, we could call whatever we want these variables, or this variable in particular, but I'm trying to use names which make sense so I can better read it afterwards. And then we need a list, and this list again should contain 3 lists, because each vector we have here, 4 minus 6, 2, as the first vector, is a list again. So what we do again is put in another list. Then we have the values 4, comma, minus 6, comma, 2. End of first list, starting second list, comma, again brackets for 7, 4, and 2. Then comma for the third list, brackets again, and then we have minus 1, comma, 0, comma, 9. And now this should already be what we need for the vector. Let's look if that worked. My exercise, and there it is, array, and look at the result. Okay, that worked. We have the 3 vectors in here, and now we want to have my exercise array, and we want the second row. And the second row, if we count it from 0, 0, 1, should be the second. And from that list, or that vector, the first entry. And how do we do that? We've seen that above. So we put in, besides our first brackets, again brackets to access the list we selected with the first brackets. And now we tell it what element from this selected list we want. This is the first entry. We start counting at 0. This should be the result that we get from the second row, the first value. So there should be 7 now. And it is correct. We have 7 as a result. That's the solution for the exercise 4. We see us in the next hands-on.